As you can see, the studio is coming along nicely. It is a little bit behind schedule, but that's all part of the journey, right? That's why I wanted to do this series, to show you start to finish the obstacles that you run into, the ideas that just don't work out, the things that are behind schedule as far as waiting on supplies and whatnot. So I'm really excited to be able to share episode 2 with you. Now, full disclosure, a little context. This was shot 2 or 3 weeks ago. You're going to see some things in the background right now that you didn't see in this video, and that's because I really wanted to delete that clip and just reshoot it. This exact shirt was very tight on me that day because I was on a Taco Bell rampage, a bit bloated, and I was pulled it straight out of the dryer, so it was a medium on me. As you could tell, I'm kind of self-conscious about that. And one reason that I'm giving you context, as creators, there's going to be things that we don't like. We might have a pimple on our face. We might look bloated. We might wear something that we didn't really look at ourselves in the mirror before we shot things, but we just have to get things done and move on, because ultimately done is better than perfect, as I think Casey Neistat said. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Feel free to roast me in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and I'm super excited to hear what you guys think. So anyway, let's roll the intro.
Baby, come and find me. I'm building my dream home studio. I'm gonna build it with these 2 hands. No matter where you are, where you wanna go, you should click to subscribe to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of the Dream Home Studio build. As you can see behind me, this room has changed quite a bit since you last saw it. Recently, this past weekend, Brad from Overtone Acoustics, shout out to Overtone Acoustics, came in and helped me install the different acoustic treatment, as you see on this main pop-out wall, as well as the bass traps in the corners. Now, the bass traps in the corners are all a track system, as well as the track system that surrounds this pop-out wall. And what you're gonna see here in the very near future are some diffusers. So what we're doing in this room is it's going to be 3 or 4 different video sets, as well as an active recording space, right? For production, for podcasting, for recording videos, just like this. As you can see over to my right side, I finally was able to install the double French doors, and as you could see, the drywall work is all completed on the inside and the outside of the room. Now all I have to do is finish some of the trim work and insulation as far as caulking and whatnot around the door, and then I can fully trim it out with the baseboards and the door trim and make it look really pretty. What we're doing here, as you can see, this is my kind of makeshift editing rig for the next few days. It's just my piano bench step stool with my Mac Pro. And the screen is actually installed with a heavy-duty arm monitor mount to the pop-out wall. Now, why I did the pop-out wall was for a couple reasons. First and foremost, the pop-out wall is going to allow me to hide some of the cables and be able to give some LED effects, some lighting effects around the table to really give a depth when it comes to, I don't know, just the overall feel and the overall grandeur of the space. We purchased this house, so I really want to make this space somewhere where I can really enjoy being in. We have some acoustic treatment coming for the windows. That'll be in the next episode of the studio build out. Now, what you see behind me is not actual rock. This is actually a foam composite that I bought in sheets. Now, what I did was I cut it to size, butted up not only on the inside of that faux wall that's popping out, but I also have it stopping right where the bass traps start from floor to ceiling. Now, I do have a little bit of trim work to do to make it look extra pretty, whatever. And then I do have a carpet, a 12-foot round carpet that I'm gonna be cutting in half just to kind of frame out this side of the room. Hey guys, had to jump in with a quick update. I bought that rug, folded it over, put it up against the wall to see what it would look like. Hated it, thought it was a little bit too busy, so I folded it up and returned it just a few days ago. Let me know in the comments if you think I made the right decision or if you like the rug. What we're gonna be doing in the next couple days, follow me here. So I have these acoustic panels. These acoustic panels will be hung in a similar fashion to this. Now what that's going to do is it's going to not only give some depth and it's going to look cool, but it's also going to help deaden the sound even more. It's going to be symmetrical on both sides. You guys will see the final product, but I'm bringing you along for the ride. Now, Ricky, cameraman, shout out to Ricky. If you could back up over there, I'm going to show the rest of the room. So what this is going to be is this is going to be a completely different area with a couple chairs, a little end table over here, and to do interviews, to do a new series I have an idea for on my YouTube channel. And also over on this side, which is a complete mess, so bear with me, but this is an active construction zone for the most part. This is going to be like a podcasting / education side of the studio of the room, where I'm going to have acoustic treatment. I'm going to have tables, or a table over here, TV over here, and it's going to be a whole different series, a whole different aspect of my YouTube channel, all within one room. The aesthetic is going to match. The aesthetic is going to tie in with one another without it feeling like three discombobulated areas. And so I'm really excited to be able to show you this aspect in upcoming videos. Now, focusing on this side of the room a little bit more, next steps are going to be after the carpet's laid, after the acoustic panels are up, after the diffusers are all installed. I'm actually going to have a cloud system installed directly over the desk, which is going to give not only acoustic treatment qualities and reflective absorbance, I don't know, correct me in the comments below, but it's also going to be a one-of-a-kind product. Now, not one-of-a-kind as far as never available, but a brand new product from Overtone Acoustics. Yes, I got the first one. Stay tuned for that. That's going to be a lot of fun. Now, after I have the desk installed in the next couple days, or not installed, but put into place, I'm also going to finally bring my monitors in here. I'm going to be bringing my keyboard and keyboard stands in here, and I'm going to show you all of that in depth, some B-roll as we go. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on in this room. So finally got the wall all taken care of. Finally got the backdrop of my upcoming studio. This is my studio, but it's going to be done very soon, which I'm super excited for. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. Check out this video right here if you want to see how this all started. If you want to really join in the journey, if you haven't seen it yet, then click that little subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, become part of the channel family, then smash that bell icon so you can be notified first anytime I upload a video just like this. As always, come connect with me over on Instagram, and until next time, I appreciate you watching.